In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions on an iPhone running iOS 18. Sometimes, the settings on your phone can limit you from changing the time zone to what you want. But don't worry, there are some straightforward solutions that can help you fix this problem. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Screen Time. Then scroll down again, and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions by toggling off this switch. Enter your screen time passcode. Then go back and tap where it says, Change Screen Time Passcode. And then tap, Turn off Screen Time Passcode. Enter your screen time passcode. Once you've done that, hopefully your issue will be fixed. But if it didn't fix your issue, go back to Settings, and tap, Privacy and Security. Then tap, Location Services. And then turn off Location Services by toggling off this switch. And then restart your device. After restarting your device, attempt to change the time zone manually once more and see if the problem has been resolved. Hopefully, you should be able to manually select and adjust the time zone according to your preference. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.